thousands of commuters in Delhi and Gurgaon have been stranded right now as we speak, as the metro services on the yellow line have been affected due to technical glitches. So the yellow line, for those of you who don't live in Delhi and for those of you who live in Delhi but don't use the metro, is one of the most popular lines of the metro lines. It's also, it sees the largest footfall of all the metro lines, and it connects Delhi and Gurgaon. The Delhi Metro has said that repair work is in progress between the Qutub Minar and the Sultanpur metro stations. We'll play out the tweet of the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. They've just put this update on there, trying to keep regular users of the metro up to date with the repair work that they're trying to do. And of course, the clock is ticking, because many people affected at this point. Let's go across to Sonal Mehrotra, who's following this story. Sonal, you, I know, have just managed to come in from Gurgaon, and you're reporting that adding to this, or possibly perhaps because of this, the roads coming into Delhi too, the two main arterial roads that connect Gurgaon and Delhi, are also seeing an exceeding amount of traffic.
Well, that's right, Sarah. It's almost double, in some cases triple the time that people are taking to actually take that journey. If you're traveling from Gurgaon to Delhi or vice versa, it's taking double or triply, longer to actually make it back by road. But let's start from the beginning here. Where did it all begin? Around 2 hours ago, there were two trains on the yellow line, like you mentioned, one of the most popular, most traveled lines on the metro as well. Two of those trains had a glitch. There was a delay.